Hello, welcome back. A quick video opening this particular parcel. It's just arrived. It's got something in here that I've not seen, tried or used before, which is what I'm most excited about trying out, because it's new to me. I don't know, I've never seen it before, but I'm hoping it's a good product and it's going to improve things. God, that box. Sorry. Okay. Right. Pedestrian railings. Yep. Stillages. I've got a little project for us at a packing plant. Oh, and that's a Pentroof shed. Another one free, because I spent over £35. You get a free one of these at the moment. I did one and built it up. That's the one that I've already done and weathered and used those wood colours for. So I'm going to send that to a mate over in New Jersey, who knows who he is. And so I got those. Got some more ladders. I got these, which are mesh sheets, very fine mesh, but they're going to help me with fire escape bases and stuff like that, and trying different methods of scratch building. Precision plastic glue, and it's just plastic cement with a needle in here. There's a little needle behind this. Let's see it. And that's what, you know, fits on the business end. And that, they reckon it doesn't clog the nib. Now everything else does clog, and so I thought I'll get that and give it a try. Now here we get to the main ingredient: opaque masking magic. Now this is not like latex. This apparently, oh yeah, look at it. You use it for masking and it will not ruin and clog your brush up or anything like that. So I'm just going to try a bit somewhere, see what it looks like. It's supposed to be really easy to use, easy to remove, and all the rest of it. Looks good so far. And you get quite a bit. I can't remember how much it were, really say on here. Mesh, garden shed, straight railings, masking fluid. It's in there. I can't remember how much it is. It's not a lot of money, and it's not going to ruin the brush apparently, which is the main thing. I'm going to see if it'll even peel off paper after. Yep, it's looking good. It's looking good so far. I'm going to try it on a project, obviously. I'll just rinse that brush. And it seems to clean. You know, the latex stuff, and I've used the latex. It's good and it peels off all right and all the rest of it, but it can ruin your brush really quickly, you know, so you need several old crappy brushes to it's cleaned up well. Is that cleaned up well? Very good, very good. And this, it's not dried yet. We'll have to leave it and see how it dries and what have you. That's all it is. It's called Masking Magic from Deluxe Materials. Perfect paint masking liquid for detail. You know, if you're doing windows and frames and that, and they're all moulded in one or anything, or you're just trying to avoid overpainting certain areas, this is the stuff. And so I'm hoping that it does the job what it says on the can. And I'll let you know. We'll use it in a video. We'll properly use it in a video. That's all it is for now, folks. Just a real quick look at what's in the box. Absolute lovely magic box full of tricks. Love it, love it, love it. Great stuff. So, thank you all for looking in. These are the products. I've actually done some 3D prints I'll show them you. I'll show them you. I was going to keep all of them for a while. I'm thinking of getting the meat packing plant from Walthish. And so I 3D printed some parts. Not everyone's going to like this, but I wanted it to look real, you know. So we're going to come down and have a look. And that's what we're looking at here. These piggy parts of pig for the meat packing plant. And some of these, like the heads and things, will be stacked in one of these stillages. So it'll look all right. It'll look authentic at least, won't it, guys? You know, I'm going to just chop some cows and sheep up next. Not everyone's taste, but a bit of fun. That's a little pig's head there. Anyway, that's all it is, and that's what the stillages are for. Thank you all ever so much for looking in. I do appreciate you all very much. Thank you, and goodbye for now. Take care, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye, my friends.